Welcome back, guys. Here's your ordinary guy. So in this video we are going to be transforming this picture into Photoshop, making it as realistic as possible and just making it just a masterpiece. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Here where it is. As you can see, it's a bit cartoonish, but it works. So if I go back to the image here, you'll see that it has a head like a tree, a trunk, and some green legs. This is wonderful. So you can see it probably looks rubbish, but in my opinion, this is one of a kind. Well, there you have it, guys. That is my video for today, transforming this image to this image in Photoshop. I will be starting drawing, so make sure you like and subscribe and comment down below ideas for me to draw, okay? Please hit the notification bell, and that will be the end of this video.